In this video, we want to give an overview of the programming interface Blockly. Blockly is divided into different areas. The toolbox with the individual modules is located in the column on the left. The toolbox also contains the various programming blocks that you need to create your program. The workspace is the area into which the blocks from the toolbox are dragged and dropped, and the area in which the program is written. The white outline shows if the block is connected. If the block is grayed out, then it will not be executed. You can park your block on the workspace and use it later. By clicking on the right side of your mouse, you will see more options, like duplicating your programming block. To delete the block, drag it to the bin symbol, or select the block and press delete on your keyboard. The cross-line symbol at the bottom left of the workspace centers the view on the Start Program block. With the left mouse button pressed, the view can be moved in all directions. Via the magnifier symbols, the view can be enlarged and reduced. The view can also be enlarged and reduced by using the scroll wheel of the mouse. The arrows at the bottom left make it possible to undo and redo work steps. By clicking on the Home button, you can open new projects or load existing ones. In the right corner, via the button with the gear symbol, you find the Blockly settings. Here you can choose which Tinkerbots product you want to connect with Blockly, as well as other settings. Next to the Home button, you can find the name and settings for your current project. By clicking on the button on the center right of the workspace, you have access to your Blockly code in Python. To use the PowerBrain with Tinkerbots Blockly, click on the Connect button on the top left of the app. Now select the desired PowerBrain and click on Connect. When the Bluetooth connection has been established, the status LED of your PowerBrain lights up blue. If you work simultaneously with various PowerBrains, it may be useful to mark them with a sticker. The button at the top right corner indicates the name of the connected PowerBrain, as well as its battery status. Over this button, you can also disconnect the PowerBrain. Over the Module button, you can see which modules are connected and which color assignment they have. So that a double motor can be controlled, the color of the light symbol in the drop-down menu of the double motor block must match the color of the LED. The colors are also used to distinguish between the modules if several of the same type are connected. Programming is very simple. In this example, we want the PowerBrain to play a sound. The Start Program block is already displayed in the workspace. Now select the block Play Note from the PowerBrain category. The transfer to the robot takes place via the Start button and is carried out only once. If you want the sound to repeat in an infinite loop, for example, then select the element Repeat Forever from the Control category. A so-called infinite loop will be programmed. You can stop the program you just created by pressing the Stop button. The programs you write will be automatically saved in Blockly. A new feature is the display of the automatic saving step. In the Tinkerbots Blockly programming environment, you can program at different learning levels. Level 1 from the 5th grade is suitable for beginners. The number of categories and blocks is reduced to make it easy to get started. The blocks of the motion modules are sequential, which means they will only be exported one after the other. Level 2 from the 8th grade is suitable for more advanced learners who are already well versed in Level 1. New categories such as function and variables are visible, through which new commands are possible. Additional command blocks are also visible in other sections. The programs are also executed sequentially. Level 3 from the 10th grade is suitable for experts who have already mastered levels 1 and 2. In Level 3, all blocks and categories are available. Aside from this, the concept of the concurrent coding will be introduced. Block programming now offers the same options for programming Tinkerbots as in Python. This level of knowledge enables a good transition from a visual programming language to text-based programming in Python.